At Dimension Inx, our mission is to create novel technologies in collaboration with Desktop Health and using their 3D bioplatter and our novel material processes and designs to create new products that can actually have an impact on human health. FluffyX is one of our major material families. It allows us to create materials that are more tissue-like, so it's targeted towards soft tissue applications. The great thing about FluffyX is that it has this very unique nano-microstructure that's inherent to the material itself, and then we can control the macro porosity with 3D printing in order to have this hierarchical porosity throughout the whole device. That allows cells to absorb and migrate and integrate within our device very easily, and that's one of the reasons why we think we have great tissue engraftment and vascularization when we implant FluffyX within in vivo animal models. So the 3D bioplatter was a vital tool for us to be able to create new solutions for different therapeutic applications that can make a huge impact on patient quality of life and even extension of life.